This is the perfect opportunity to introduce you to the sponsor of today's video, Liene. Liene is a company dedicated to crafting memories one print at a time by offering a variety of photo printers. I'm going to be using their 2x3 portable printer so I can super easily print some pictures for this spread. The printer is smartphone compatible and offers a stable Bluetooth 5.0 connection, so all I needed to do to get started was download the Liene app and connect it to Bluetooth, which was super easy. I just followed the instructions on the app. From there, you can select the photo you want to print and edit it in the app. There are several different frame options, including even a Polaroid frame, which is really cool. I opted for just the standard white frame for the pictures on this spread. The app also has several filter options for the photos and all the basic enhancement features like brightness and saturation. I'm going to bump up the contrast a little on this photo. And then when you're done editing, it only takes about 20 seconds to print and the photo is instantly ready, so you don't have to wait 10 minutes to look at it or anything like a Polaroid. The photos are 2x3 inches with a glossy protective polymer overcoat and sticky back paper. So what's really nice is that it's self-adhesive, so I can just peel off the back and stick it straight into my journal, basically turning my pictures into stickers if I want. I was very pleasantly surprised with the color and clarity of the photo. I'm using Liene's basic zinc photo paper, which prints in color or of course black and white, but this printer is also compatible with their monochrome paper if you want to print in black and white with a film-like feel. I think my favorite thing about this printer though is that it uses zinc zero ink printing technology, so you don't need to buy or restock any ink. All you need is the photo paper, which is water resistant, tear resistant, and dry to the touch. You see me rub all over the photos to paste them in, and they didn't smudge at all. I feel like this printer would also be perfect for scrapbooking or daily journaling, or especially travel journaling. It's very compact and portable, super easy to slip into your pencil case and bring on the go. It comes with a Type-C charging port and can print about 30 photos per charge. I'm actually planning on bringing it with me on a trip at the end of April, so I'm going to save this right page of the spread for those photos. If you also want to start including more memories in your journals, be sure to go to the link in my description to check out this 2x3 printer and Liene's other products. I am already loving this memory spread, so thank you so much to Liene for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel.